In this video, we'll guide you through how to add contacts and create contact groups on the XTRAK app to share information with. Launch the XTRAK app on your smartphone. Tap the menu in the top left-hand corner of the Maps or Chat screen. From the menu, select My Contacts. Select Add New Contact and enter the contact's mobile number and name. This name can be edited at any time. The new contact will appear in the My Contacts list. If there are many contacts, you can group them using Create New Group. Tap Create New Group and then select the contacts you want to add to that group. Give the group a name and tap Done. To chat to contacts or a group, go to the chat screen and select New Chat. Select individual or group contacts that you want to send a chat message to. Enter a message and tap the send symbol. Then press the PTT button on the connected XTRAK Pro UHF radio to send. The message will be shared at the release of the PTT button.